This listing brought to you by the Elson team at Remax Ability Plus. This 4-bedroom 2.5 bath home is move-in condition, with many great features including private lot. Enjoy the large eat-in kitchen with island, backsplash and plenty of cabinet space. Gleaming laminate hardwood floors in great room and kitchen with plenty of natural light. Kitchen is open to great room for easy entertaining. Entry has crown molding and beautiful wains coating. Mud room with organizer so the kids have a place to put their things when coming home from school. Upstairs enjoy the large master with tray ceiling, double vanities and tile shower. Fenced-in backyard with privacy with large stamp patio to enjoy your morning coffee. Come see this home, you will not be disappointed.